everyone. Today let's see the continuation of the first chapter, that is multimedia and desktop publishing. Let's see the file formats for multimedia. We can create a multimedia product, that is a software, by means of different file formats. So some of the file formats are used for the production and delivery of multimedia product. So according to the choice of software, we can choose our own file formats that is available in multimedia to create a product. Based on the type of data that we are using to create a multimedia product, this multimedia file formats is divided into four types. The first one is text format, the second one is image format, the third one is digital audio format, and the fourth one is digital video format. Now let's discuss the first type of file format in multimedia, that is text format. As the name implies, these type of formats are used to support text type files. There are two types of text formats. The first one is RTF, the second one is plain text. Now let's see the first type of text format, that is RTF, rich text format. It is a primary file format which is developed by Microsoft in the year 1987. It supports cross-platform document interchange. You should know what is cross-platform document interchange. You might have noticed when you're copying a file from your friend's computer to your computer, and when you open that file in your computer, you may get some image formats, otherwise some box like images. This is because of the difference in the versions of your computer and your friend's computer. The difference may be in the applications, otherwise in the operating system. Your friends may use some different versions of operating system, otherwise your friend may use some different operating system, like he may use some Windows operating system and you might have been using some Linux based operating system. So to overcome these problems, this Microsoft has introduced this RTF file formats, that is rich text file formats. The RTF files can be created by using WordPad, and the file that we got, the box like structures, if it is opened with WordPad, we will get the appropriate content related to the file. The next type of text format is plain text. So in the plain text files, we'll be having only the text elements in it. So these files can be opened and we can edit the contents in the file by using some text editors. So in Windows operating system, these text editors are called as Notepad, and in Unix or Linux operating system, it is called as Getit or Nano. And in Mac operating system, these text editors are called as Text. These plain text are mainly used in emails for sending messages. We can create this plain text by using this notepad, otherwise we can do that by using some word applications. First we need to type the text that we want to use. Since it is a plain text, we need to type text alone in the document, and it should be saved by using the save as option to a plain text document. We can also do that by using rich text document by saving in that particular format. This is an example for using the plain text for conveying an email messages. We can also use this rich text for sending the messages. So the main difference between the plain text and rich text is, in the rich text we can able to give some font color, size or styles that we want to apply, but in plain text we can't do all those things. So this is an example for plain text and rich text. Next type of file format is image file format. So there are a number of image file formats are supported by multimedia. So first one is tagged image file format, bitmap, that is BMP, DIB, device independent bitmap, GIF, graphics interchange format, JPEG, joint photographic experts group, TGA, TAGRA, PNG, portable network graphics. Let's see the first type of image format, that is TIFF, tagged image file format. So these type of files are mainly used for the desktop publishing to produce a high quality output. Recent version of these type of files will support this image compressions, so that is very comfortable for transferring the large files between computers. This is an example for choosing the file format in Photoshop, and this is another example for converting the TIFF image to some other image formats like JPEG. You can also convert this TIFF image to other type of image formats like GIF, BMP. Next we'll see about bitmap image. The bitmap image is also called as raster images. For example, if I am taking a photo by means of a camera or a mobile, if I zoom that image to an extreme, I'll get this dot representation, otherwise a pixel representation of an image. These types of images are called as raster image, otherwise a bitmap image. This bitmap image is supported by this Windows operating system, and these types of images are large images, and it is mainly used for high resolution images. Since it is large, it is stored in a large space and it cannot be compressed. This is an example for bitmap. This is a pixel representation of a bitmap image. Next we'll see about DIB, that is device independent bitmap. It is similar to bitmap and it is supported by number of devices. This type of image format is graphics interchange format, GIF. So you might have seen these type of files in the internet, that is graphics like images or some animated pictures. These types of files are very suitable for this graphics and it is mainly used for online color photos. Here is an example for GIF images. Next type of image format is Joint Photographic Experts Group, that is JPEG. So this type of images help us to attain some maximum image compression and it supports this lossy compression techniques. Lossy compression techniques means it loses some of the data that is required for image construction. The losses of data will be mainly on the repeated data that is in the file. So while compressing, these type of files will get eliminated, and this type of file will works good for photograph, naturalistic artwork when compared to the slide drawings or simple cartoons. This is an example for saving an image as a JPEG image. So first you have to go to this file menu, click on the option save as, then you will get this save as dialog box. Here you have to choose this JPEG format to save that image as a JPEG image. If you want to use some other image format, you can select here itself. The image will be converted to the required format. You can also do by this export method. Here we are exporting an image to this document. So first you have to click on the file option and go for the option export, and then have to select the format of the image, and here you have to give the file name, and that particular format of the image will be saved in your document. Next type of image format is TGA, that is TAGRA. So these types of images are very popular for high resolution images, and these types of images is very suitable for video capture board. So video capture boards is nothing but you are taking photos by camera that connected to that computer. That is what video capture boards. So this is mainly used for photograph images. This is an example for TGA image. The next type of image format is PNG, that is portable network graphics. In this type of file, so we have some less loss when compared to this JPEG image formats, and it is very portable, and we have some well compressed storage techniques and replace this PNG file format to GIF and TIFF file formats. These types of images are very suitable for online applications. This is an example for converting the PNG image to some other file formats, some other image formats. We can convert this JPEG, TIFF, PST image formats to PNG format. So any type of image formats can be converted to this PNG file format. Not only that, we can convert any type of image to the required format that we need. Here is an example to convert this JPEG type of image. First we need to choose the image format and then make settings and then click on the option start conversion, then particular image will be saved to that format. Digital file format. So digital file formats can be done by two means, either by audio or video. So now we are going to see about the digital audio file formats. There are a number of digital audio file formats. So first one is WAV, that is waveform audio file format, MP3, MPEG Layer 3 format, OGG, AIFF audio interchange file format, WMA Windows Media Audio, RA real audio format. Now we'll see the first type of digital audio file format, that is WAV. This type of format is a very famous audio format that is used in Windows operating system. It is used for storing some uncompressed sound files, and in order to reduce the size we can convert this file formats to MP3. The next digital audio file format is MP3, that is MPEG Layer 3 format. It is a very popular format for storing and downloading music. These types of files can be roughly compressed to 1/10 the size of a WAV file. Let's see the difference between MP4 and MP3 file formats. So MP3 file is mainly for audio, but MP4, in addition to audio, it supports video and images. Next type of audio format is OGG. OGG is a free open source audio file format. It is mainly used for better streaming over the internet. So these types of files will have a better quality when compared to this MP3 file formats. The best examples of these types of audio file format is Spotify, Gaana Music, and some Google Play Music in the internet. The next type of audio file format is AIFF, that is audio interchange file format. So this is a standard file format for Apple, so as we use for WAV file for Mac. Next digital audio file format is WMA, that is Windows Media Audio. It is developed by Microsoft. From the name itself you might have noticed, and it is designed with digital right management in order to protect the copyrights. We can also convert this WMA format to MP3 format. This type of digital audio format is RA, that is real audio format. So these types of files are used for streaming audio over the internet, like some background music in the internet you might have noticed, and it is stored in computers hardware or CD or DVD. Now we'll see about the digital video file formats. Here we are going to see about the two types of digital video file formats. The first one is AVI and the second one is MPEG. Now we'll see the first type of video file format, that is AVI, audio video interleave. So these types of file formats are developed by Windows. In this type of file we have the sound and pictures that is stored in the interleaved chunks in the file. So you might have noticed in the television we can see this AVI file formats. Type of digital video format is MPEG, that is Moving Picture Experts Group. So this type of file will provide an ISO standard for digital audio and video compression. File formats have several standards like MPEG 1, MPEG 2, MPEG 4, MPEG 7 and MPEG 21. MPEG 1 is mainly for video CD and MP3, and MPEG 2 is for digital television set-top boxes and DVD. MPEG 4 is for multimedia and mobile web. MPEG 7 is a standard for audio and visual content, and MPEG 21 is a standard for digital video and audio compression. This is an example for converting the MPEG file to MP3 file format. I hope you all understood about the file formats in multimedia. If you like this video, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.